Hello guys, I'm Abhishek from 5th SEM BCA. My topic is about cache memory. What is cache memory? Cache memory is a small high-speed RAM buffer located between CPU and the main memory. Cache memory holds a copy of the instruction cache and data cache currently being used by the CPU. The main purpose of cache memory is to accelerate your computer while keeping your price of computer low. There are types of cache mapping: direct mapping, associative mapping, and set associative mapping. Direct mapping. The direct mapping technique is simple and inexpensive to implement. When a CPU wants to access data from memory, it places an address. The index field of CPU address is used to access address. The tag field of CPU address is compared with the associative tag in the word read from the cache. If the tag bit of CPU address is matched with the tag bits of cache, then there is a hit and the required data word is read from the cache. If there is no match, then there is mismatch and the required data word is stored in main memory. It is then transferred from the main memory to cache memory with the new tag. Direct mapping. This is the example for direct mapping a main memory and the cache memory. Associative mapping. In associative mapping uses to associate memory. The memory is being accessed using its contents. Each line of cache memory will accommodate the address of main memory and the contents of the address from the main memory. That is why memory is called content addressable memory (CAM). It allows each block of main memory to be stored in cache. And this is the example for associative mapping. Set associative mapping. That is the easy control of the direct mapping cache and the more flexible mapping of fully associative cache. In set associative mapping, each cache located can have more than pair of tag plus data items. That is, more than one pair of tag and data are residing at the same location of cache memory. If one cache location is holding two pair of tag plus data items, that is called two-way set associative mapping. And this is the example of two-way set associative mapping, main memory and the cache memory. Thank you guys.